Wagwan, my beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Alright guys, so I'm up on my way. I go link up Prince Jase now, you see me? He have a grill, you see me? So we are go file some fish and roast some lobster, you see me? So that I pray. So I'm live close by to me guys, so just a quick little 5 minutes walk. You see me for each time there, so that I pray guys. Yeah peeps, so I like to grill this and I swear it's like a hell of a carry. Yeah man, so yeah guys, right, this nice and neat, you know, the one person on this. Hello. Alright guys, so clean out the lobster them. Just split them and take out of them, you see them? Get out all of them something here. All of that. See it there guys, all cleaned out. Fresh lobster meat. There's some nice parrotfish here guys. Kitchen on a fish shop. Yeah guys, so I have my top chef there. You see me? Up on the general himself.
No. Them I got jealous now.
Oh yeah, see.
I went with the cook lobster there. Nah, cook more than this.
Yo. Survive man. Hey guys. So we have some lobster and most people I bet don't know what this is. Well, I don't know the original name, but we call them chunkback. It's me. Very nice fish. I love them. Yeah, it's like a shell. You roast it. So I'm gonna show you season. Yeah, man. Show you season inside of it and all of that. Yeah, I have some nice powdered fish. Let me show you. So one of them. It's a red belly parrot we call them. So that's the pretty guys. Go among them. Guys, so yeah, butter the file paper, you know. You can teach them and thing. All the vibes. That's what I say, top chef there. Play thing. It's expensive. Yeah. 95,000 we have to pay him, you know. Oh, I know.
You know what?
At
One
least one
thing,
price that.
Jase,
Hola.
I have to be sure of
That's that.
to have snacks at home, plenty of them, because Babe loves his snacks. Absolutely loves them. He's like a snack freak.
Mm-hmm.
He'll go in the cupboards and go and just grab whatever he wants.
I only like me hungry.
Oh, Jase is a good cook, guys. Jase is a good cook, guys. Ladies, this is a single man here.
Mm-hmm.
So any lady that wants a piece of Jase,
Oh, man, have to pay me for there with me now, you know.
What I say?
Yeah, she has to pay me to be with me.
Yes, so things and time change.
Change, you know, man. You're too nice.
Yes, reverse.
Reverse, no. Can't be too free.
Alright, so. Yeah, put one fish now on the fire. So.
Yeah, man, fish now on fire.
Nice parrot, you know?
Babe, you've got long hands in me.
Acho?
I want you to stick here and put on the little.
Where I get stick from?
I'm sorry, don't know.
She can make a taste of fish here.
I'm trying that one.
Yeah,
that
chunk
looks
pack.
really scary. Did you scale it?
No, it's
Ooh.
it's a shell. The meat inside of it.
Okay, the meat inside of it.
Yeah, it's very nice. Most Jamaican, I can tell, don't know about this because everybody goes for the fancy looking fish. But they don't know what this tastes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well, maybe we should make a boil. You know what's a boil?
Alright.
Boil? What are you doing, Miss Baby Boil? Come on.
Alright.
I'm gonna put the
Jase, me have a guy at wedding. At the wedding, you know. See that? Perfect. And look guys, we have Bobo in the kitchen. Yes. Waiting on your fish, don't you? Yes, sir. But wait, up till now, I don't see you putting a pepper in there. You do the spice.
Ah, sir. There's no pepper, man. Throw pepper powder when you're ready.
Alright, sir.
I'm telling you, go in and come out at you.
Alright guys, so time to catch a fire, you know, you see me? How up to this one?
He's a crazy. Oh my god.
Say hello to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Yeah. Brother.
He's hiding. He's hiding from the vlog now.
You.
Oi, guys, where's
In
Ruben?
the get shy.
They're at my house.
Oh.
In casino.
Oh.
Hey, Rubes. Look at.
You, what
Good. How are you? What are you doing in my house? What the freak are you bringing to my house?
They were moving.
He's bringing stuff from Sydney.
Yeah, they were moving.
Jackie, what the heck? Yeah. The lobsters, and then in the other thing is fish. Acá adentro, David, mira todo pescado. Adentro pescado.
drop on the fish them and now. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, look one man grill. From there. Yeah guys, so the garlic butter lobster. Never tried that way yet, you know, so the teacher there teach me today, you see me? Yeah, I bring this guy Australia, got turn up over there, you know. You see me? Yeah guys. Yeah, shut you know, I smell everything. Alright guys, so I get dark you know out here. Fish and smell good in here. Careful. Water lobster. Lime? That's it. I'm bringing you one peer brush. Oh yeah, real professional one.
Yeah, and drop the garlic pan in, guys. Garlic will burn. And a bit of taste.
Oh, so that's the sauce.
It's just that. No, I look at garlic touches still, but
Yeah. So we are turn them first?
yeah.
Think of that, boil up it first.
Sear.
Oh.
Sear now. Aye. Get the next.
Yeah guys. Martin 990. I swear.
Overcook it.
Gotcha. Yo peeps, man I lie, I learned something today. Garlic butter lobster. Yeah, me always hear about it, but I never tried. So I have to try that one for my own guys. That's where it look nice, look like a pro. It's cool, I'm a chef. Okay, so lobster done. Oh, normal. Jesus.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, Jesus. Guys. It's like I'm a 5-star hotel me there. Never know how much chef, man. I'm not now, man.
You have to eat it before the heat.
My God. The man is full of presentation, sir. Peeps, look what I go on here, so. Look what I go on here, so. Look what I go on, look at Jase. Look, guys. Look what we have. Look what we have, and look at Jase. Look. 3 fish for 1 plate and 1 lobster. Boy, everything is dangerous, you know? I guess this, sir.
Boy, man.
Jesus Christ, man. Yo.
Don't tell a lie, Bob.
Yo. 3 fish and 1 lobster. The man are eating it.
Yeah.
No. Brother, not sure you cookie? My God. People not bring that, not invite everybody at your house. Don't do it.
Here we go, guys.
Lobster.
Oh, wow. Mmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to try yours?
Let's try it, I swear.
Crack one pill. Give me a fork, babe. Oh, crack my teeth now.
You guys look like you're running that part, you know. How much more is it? Oh,
Fork. Fork, you dog. Fork, you dog.
Alright, guys, I'm going to try the lobster. The top chef cook. It needs to serve. Who will Papa Jase?
Well done, Papa Jase. Really
Who
nice.
can't pay you?
No.
Yes, who can't pay you? No, so.
I love it.
Garlic butter lobster.
Beautiful, Jase. This is the cook. Guys, ladies who's single, he cooked all of this for us. He did good. Well done, Jase. Really nice.
Yeah, well.
You know what to do. Subscribe, like and comment. This is the Island family. Oh, you didn't fish yet. You're opening it now. You're right. Nice. Bobo. Yo. Oh, it's got okra on it. Nice, guys. Very nice.
Amazing. That's
Amazing.
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 Guys, this is a fish I'm telling you about. Chunk back. This is all the meat right here. See that? Smooth the shell.
Do you want me to try?
This one, we call it chunk back.
Shell looks like some octagon, the hexagon.
That's the meat.
Big chunk of meat.
That?
Yeah, that's the meat. Take out the shell.
Yeah, big chunk of meat.
Just try the fish.
Tastes like fish, but feels like chicken breast.
That's too. Mmm. Tastes like chicken breast.
Yep.
Wow.
Very tasty. Most people don't even know about this fish, trust me.
Wow.